एक एक्टर जो मेरे हमेशा से फेवरेट रहे हैं इज़ जॉनी डेप एंड व्हाइल आई वाज़ इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ बिकमिंग हिज़ हार्डकोर फैन यानी जब मैं इनकी मूवीज़ बैक टू बैक कॉन्सेक्यूटिवली लगा के देख रहा था, आई केम अक्रॉस दिस 1993 मूवी व्हिच इज़ डायरेक्टेड बाय मिस्टर लासा हेलस्ट्रॉम एंड इट्स कॉल्ड व्हाट्स ईटिंग गिलबर्ट ग्रेप. This is going to be the first recommendation for today, and it's a really beautiful, light-hearted drama in which we see a guy called Gilbert Grape who is torn between his love life and his family responsibilities, which includes taking care of his morbidly obese mother and his mentally challenged brother, played beautifully by Leonardo DiCaprio. असल मायने में लियोनार्डो को उनका फर्स्ट ऑस्कर इस मूवी के लिए मिलना चाहिए था आई बिलीव क्योंकि व्हेन यू सी हिम परफॉर्मिंग इन दिस फिल्म it doesn't come out as caricaturish, it doesn't come out as exaggerated, it feels nothing but real. I seriously walked into this film as a fan of Depp and came out as a fan of both. So yeah, that whips. This film is available on Apple TV and I highly recommend you to watch it because it's amazing. Now carrying the episode forward is a film जो कि काफ़ी indie space से आई हुई है and it's directed, written by, produced, edited, given music to all by the single mastermind Shane Carruth. And yeah, he also stars on it too. The film I'm referring to is a science fiction film called Primer, which came out in the year 2004. That is before I was born, or before my mother actually even conceived me. But that doesn't take away from the beauty of this film because it's seriously one of the most bewildering, baffling things I've ever seen. ये मूवी दो साइंटिस्ट फ्रेंड्स के बारे में है who accidentally happen to build a time machine and फिर ये दोनों उसको यूज़ करके स्टॉक मार्केट से प्रॉफिट्स गेन करने का प्लान बनाते हैं. But then they see something which completely blow their as well as our minds away, resulting in this very confusingly brilliant film. Now till this date हमें मूवी अभी तक समझ में नहीं आई है completely. So for all of you sci-fi buffs जो कि नोलन की मूवीज पर घंटों तक बातें किया करते हैं, give this movie a shot, it won't disappoint you. Now I don't think you will be able to find this movie on any OTT platform in India, so use the magic of internet to do so if you're interested in mind-bending cinema. Now, speaking of mind-bending flicks, the last recommendation for today is also a sci-fi thriller, which is, by the way, one of my personal favorites. And it has got a much more commercial and, what do you say, mainstream appeal to it than Primer. The film I'm referring to is a 2009 film called Triangle. It is written and directed by Sir Christopher Smith, and one of the reasons मुझे ये film इतनी क्यों प्यारी है is that even if you fail to understand the whole technicality of the plot here, this movie has got enough commercial aspects to keep you hooked. ट्रायंगल इज़ अ फिल्म अबाउट अ सिंगल मदर जो कि अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक बोट ट्रिप पे जाती हैं एंड देयर दे फाइंड अनदर अबैंडन्ड शिप और जब वो सारे कैरेक्टर्स उसमें जाते हैं आउट ऑफ नोवेयर वन बाय वन दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग किल्ड. This film is based on the concept of time loop, which, to be honest, is a bit overused now. Lekin this was a very refreshing take on that, and I love it for that. Now, again, I don't think you'll be able to find this on any OTT platforms, so so yeah, these were the recommendations for today. I'll see you tomorrow with some more of them. Till then, if you've got any awesome reco, feel free to drop them down in the comment section. And thank you for visiting Shuriel Shenanigans.